Hello, I'm Crescent Fairly. Welcome to a redesigning video with me. So I'm going to redesign my clothes that need to be redesigned. They are old. Like this one, guys, it was a top dress and I want it to be a crop. So I marked where I want it to be and here I'm just cutting it out. After cutting this part, I went ahead and put these pins like to hold the garment stuff so that when I want to sew it won't be all over the place, and also to insert the elastic. So this is the elastic, guys, that I'm going to insert in the top, like where I have, pinned. Yeah, and that was pretty much it to this top, guys. It came out nicely. I love it. I love this type of crop top. So on to our second cloth that we are redesigning is this denim jacket that I wanted to put some ragged on this part, your shoulder, and also to the other side. This is how it looks. It's very old. So I'm going to use this seam ripper to put some ragged. Careful, guys, when doing this because you don't want to go on the wrong side or direction, or put some irregular lines I can say. So yeah, here we are so busy. You can see how busy I am doing this, guys. In the process, guys, I realized that this is not that type of denim that you put ragged. So I ended up cutting like boxes in those areas and I like it. Our next item, guys, this trouser is very, very old. Like I had it since 2017 and it's 2023, like you guys. It's very old. So what I decided to do with it is to cut into a short. Yeah, and there was nothing to do with it. Like there was nothing much to do with it. So cutting it was my solution. You can cut it the way you want, whether it's shorter or medium short. You guys, you can just cut it the way you want if you have an old trouser and where you are comfortable with. So guys, this is how it ended up looking. I just folded the bottom and also you can have it tailored so that it stays in place. It was giving a new vibe. Like it's all about redesigning, so it was giving me a new vibe. For this one, guys, it's not that old, but it's a boring top, like just basic. Like let me put it on for you guys to see. It's just a basic top and a boring one, so I wanted to give it a new vibe, which is crop, of course. So here, guys, I'm marking where I want my crop to reach. The first thing I did was to remove this type of binding down there. After removing the binding, guys, I went ahead to doing this. I don't know how to explain this, guys, but I believe you can see what I'm doing. After that was done, guys, I went ahead to stretch these pieces. To spice it more and more, guys, I'm drawing these circles along the neckline and then cutting them into holes so that it gets sweeter and sweeter. To cut, just fold the circle and then cut it like this. Look how beautiful this is looking, guys. Look how beautiful this is looking. It's super beautiful. That was it for this top. Loving the vibe. For this one, guys, I cropped it at the bottom like how I did to the previous top, and then I want to do some U shape kind of on my neckline. So guys, this is how I did it. I drew some lines. These lines, guys, are going to help me or to guide me or how to cut it. This is how they look. Guys, make sure your lines are visible or are clear so that you guys don't miss or cut the wrong way and stuff like that. I would like to know, guys, in the comment section, what is that one thing that I have done to my old clothes to renew them or to redesign them that you can try on your own clothes. Guys, subscribe to see how I style them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.